I have a brand new video for you today using my March Clique kit. I'm showing you here, this is a background that I made, and you can find where I made this background on the Clique Kits YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to them yet, please head over and do so because there's lots of fun videos over there. I'm just showing you some Tombow markers and all the different markers I use to color in some stamped shapes. So my stamps are in black on my layout, and then I went ahead and stamped some images and colored them up using my Tombow brush markers and some Wink Stella. I am a Tombow girl. I like to color with my Tombow markers, and yeah, so that is my stamped images that are colored, and we're going to do a layout with 3 photos. Oh, what? Me? 3 photos? Yes. Isn't that crazy, guys? So I wanted to use all 3 of these because they're all cute and all sweet and super funny. They were all taken the same day at the same time, and I couldn't decide which ones I wanted to use. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna put 3 photos on this page. So I'm going through the 6x6 pad that came in the Traveler's Notebook kit, and I'm pulling out some 3. I end up with 3 of the pictures, 3 pages. And I'm going to map 1 photo with each of these. And then my idea was that, okay, so the background goes from light to dark. So I'm going to kind of do my mats on my photos from dark to light. And I wanted to pull in this pink because my flowers, I colored them in pink and orange. And the background is more of an orangey corally color than pink. So I want to make sure I add enough pink in the layout that the flowers are not looking lost. They're not looking out of place or oddly colored. So I want to make sure that I did add some pink, and my butterfly is pink as well. So now I kind of have my photos down. I'm going to pop up all of my shapes. These, you know, it takes a long time to color stamped images. It's not a really fast process. So I really wanted to make these the star of the show. I really wanted these images to kind of pop out and other things to kind of be layered behind them, and to have them kind of stand out. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pop just the stamped images up on pop dots, and then the rest of the embellishments that I'm going to use are going to be underneath and around the stamped images. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and create 2 kind of clusters, and I'm also going to use black for my title. I'm just popping these up. My head ended up in a ton of this video. I'm so sorry. Not intentionally, just I kept getting my head in the way. I wanted to make things straight, and I was trying to put things different places, and then I'd lead forward because I would forget that I was recording. So I'm going to use my T-Scroll ruler, and yeah, my head is like totally in here because I had to Frankenstein some letters together and everything, and I want to make everything straight. So below, in case you haven't noticed, if you don't follow me on Instagram or Facebook or anything, beginning next month, well actually beginning now kind of, I'm staying on with Clique Kits for another 6 months, but I am changing my role, and I'm going to be part of the ambassadors team. And what that means is that I will have an affiliate link, and you can actually use that link right now. I'm going to have it below, which means when you buy things in the shop, not only at the Clique Kits shop, not only are you getting fabulous kits and fabulous products, but you're also helping my channel to grow. And I have some things in the works, things coming up, different projects that I am working on. And so all of the affiliate link will help me to be able to finance those types of fun projects, as well as possibly, you know, help me with kids' clothes, because, oh my word, I bought my youngest son summer clothes yesterday. Watch, here's a tangent. Kids' clothes are so expensive. Oh, and they don't even wear them that long. Anyway, okay, tangent over. Back to the layout. So I have my title here, which is just selfies in the car. And I'm going to go ahead and do my date stamp. And I'm tongue-tied. And now I'm going to cluster. I want to add a nice full cluster of butterflies to the top. And so I'm going to do that. I'm going to use a chipboard. I guess these are moths. The ones in the Pick Me Up collection, I'm pretty sure Paige Evans said they're moths, not butterflies. So I have butterflies and moths up there in the top. And then down here at the bottom, I want to fill in this whole corner with florals. I want to use lots of florals. I want to I have my 2 stamped florals, and then I also want to do some puffy stickers and some die cuts underneath all these florals, and I pretty much just want to fill in this entire corner with lovely, lovely florals. So I'm going to go ahead and I am going to fill in all of these pieces and parts and different areas, and it's fun. So that's what I'm going to do for the rest of this layout. I'm going to use, so let me think here. The Paige Evans thickers were an add-on to the kit, and those are still in the Clique Kits shop. The puffy stickers were part of the Traveler's Notebook kit, and these Family & Co. stickers from Fancy Pants were part of the main kit. And I'm going to use a little bit of everything. And the stamps that I've used on this layout are from the Traveler's Notebook kit as well. So now I'm just filling in that corner. I'm just embellishing. I'm going to fill in the corner. I'm going to kind of edit out some things and just play a little bit with all these embellishments, decide where I want things, put things down, pick things up, move them around, the usual stuff that you do. And so that's what I'm going to do. And while I am doing that, I'll tell you a little bit about these photos. So these are just photos of my boys and I when we take this was done last month before we bought a car. So we recently bought a new van because we have a family of 7. And we needed a car that would fit us all. So before we bought the van, whenever we had to, that sounds awful, whenever we would take my mother-in-law with us, me and both of my boys were squeezed in the back. And just so you understand how this works, my oldest son is 6'2". So he was like, he's big and he's squished. And so we were on our way out with my mother-in-law, and I was just like playing with my phone, and I took selfies, and it kind of made the ride a little bit more bearable for both the boys and I. But that is not the case anymore because we actually traded that car in because the head gasket went in it, and we decided that, you know what, my grandparents that live with us are getting older. My grandfather doesn't want to drive anymore. We have our mother-in-law with us. We need a bigger car. So we went ahead and we got a van. And it's very nice. So that's it. That's all my embellishments. And now my layout is finished. Thank you so very much for joining me today. If you want to grab anything from the Clique Kit shop, please use my affiliate link down below. You're not obligated to at all. It's totally up to you, but I am super excited that I was offered this opportunity on their ambassador team. So have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you all again soon. Bye!